안녕하세요 여러분, 은비 언니예요. Today I'll be talking about some slangs to say great, nice, awesome, or it's the best. So the first one is 대박. 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 So 대 from 대박 is a Sino-Korean that means big or huge. And 박, no one actually knows what this 박 means exactly, but many assumes that this 박 is one of this pumpkin kind of vegetable that's really huge and round. I'm not really sure what it is called in English because I actually never saw 박 in the States. Actually, not even from Korea. I only saw it from fairy tales. So I believe this 박 is some sort of family of pumpkin. The reason why people think this way is because of this Korean fairy tale. This fairy tale is about this one poor but good family, and they happen to cut this huge 박 and they find treasure inside. So it's something great happened, right? Some fortune happened. And another assumption people also claim is that this 박, the name of old Chinese game that was played as a gambling. But whatsoever, 대박 means something really like huge thing happens. So it's actually used like, oh my god, like wow. So it doesn't necessarily have to be something nice or great, but also something bad. So we say 대박 when we see or hear something amazingly great or amazingly awful.
나 어제 무슨 일 있었는지 알아?
무슨 일 있었는데?
나 어제 방탄소년단의 정국 오빠 만나서 사진 찍었어. 대박.
나 지갑 잃어버렸어.
대박.
And second one is 짱. 짱. It's kind of an old slang, so young kids will consider you are old if you actually use it. But it's still widely used among people, like even among 20s. So 짱 simply means the best. In old days, probably like late 90s, I guess, this one guy who is strongest in the school is called 짱. The strongest here is meaning the bad guy who is really good at beating people. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this word 얼짱. 얼짱 is a slang to call someone who is the prettiest or the best looking. Many of Korean celebs used to be 얼짱 of their school or their town before they actually become a celebrity. People modify 짱 to be versatile, like 짱짱맨 or ultra caption nice 짱. Yep, it's an old slang, but I still use it. Why not?
이 셔츠 어때? 짱이다. 짱 예뻐.
짠! 이거 너 주려고 가지고 왔어. 선물이야.
고마워. 짱짱맨.
I think it's 대박 that you guys are putting a lot of effort to learn Korean. And you are 짱짱맨 if you subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.